In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Heroes Battlegrounds group. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you play Heroes Battlegrounds, when you go over to this cosmetic screen, you will see the villain scarf. And the requirement is to join their group. So let's say you want to get this villain scarf, or you just want to join the group so you have a community of people who also play Heroes Battlegrounds. Doing this is extremely simple. So to join the Heroes Battlegrounds group, leave the experience. You will then be able to see all of this information about the game, and if you go over here at the bottom, you will be able to find group. Keep in mind that this interface might be different if you are doing this process on mobile or console, but on PC it is going to be right underneath servers, and if you click group, you will be redirected into the official Heroes Battlegrounds group, where you can join and you will be able to participate and unlock that special villain scarf. So just go ahead and click join group. You will now be a part of the group. You will see just the usual member rank, and you can say something on this wall here where people will share their opinion about the game, ask for updates, and so on. So you can just read this if you are curious on what people have to say, and you can filter this by the amount of members. So they have members and then developers, owners, and so on. You can go over to their profile if you want to, and usually they are going to announce any sort of big major event over here as well. So keep that in mind. After you are done joining the group, you can go back into the experience and you should have access to the villain scarf. To my knowledge, this is the only bonus that you get from joining the group, so keep that in mind. Now we can equip it and we are going to be able to see it on our character. So this is all you have to do. You can go over here under the group again, and if for whatever reason you want to manage your status here, you will also be able to leave. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Heroes Battlegrounds group. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.